Hello, so this is me with my foundation, my concealer and my eyebrows. So after I put on my foundation, my eyebrows and my concealer, what I do is just bake my face using Sacha Buttercup. So what I'm doing now is just using a Sacha Buttercup powder to bake my face. So what I do first is start with underneath my eyes, and I make sure that I press quite firmly onto my skin so it sets a little bit better, and it also makes the makeup last longer, especially if you're going on a night out. And then I continue to set underneath my cheekbones. And then I set my chin, and then I continue to set my cupid's bow area, and then my nose, and then lastly my forehead.
So I gotta keep the rocket. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt.
So now I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder to set underneath my eyebrows and my eyelids. Looks good. Now I'm going to be using my Naked palette and my palette that I cannot pronounce. Yes, I'm just making sure that I'm covering the whole of my eyelid with that shade, and I do it very, very lightly. And then what I'm doing now is just blending and diffusing the colour. So I'm blending it outwards. Now I'm adding a darker shade to the outer corner of my eyelid, and what I'm doing is starting from the outer corner and blending it inwards. So what I'm going to do now is spray some setting spray onto my brush so it makes it wet. That allows me to pick up my eyeshadow so I can press it onto my eyelid.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt.
Now what I'm going to do is get a smaller brush and use a lighter colour just to highlight my eye ducts. And for me, this colour is a little bit too bright, so now I'm going to go in with a warmer shade called Lumber. So what I'm going to be doing is adding some colour to my bottom lash line with the colours He Devil and Enfugo. I'm back. So what I did was finish the other side of my face off camera because I was running out of time. And now I am just brushing off all the excess makeup that I left on my face. And now I'm going to go in highlighting using the Gold Deposit by MAC. So I start off with my nose and then my Cupid's bow. I use the Urban Decay setting spray. So guys, that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you've got this far, why not subscribe? Okay guys, see you. Mwah.